Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. And what I want to do today is just show you a quick little clip, a glimpse, an insight to what we do in the options membership area. So if you're brand new to joining us, we do a lot of things with options. And in this video, I'm going to show you a quick little clip from the members section of what goes on and happens behind the scene. Now keep in mind, this quick clip is just truncated, so it's smaller. Whereas in the member section, you get the full video, and even some of the sessions we go ahead and do them live. So that way you get more insight on in depth. You can ask questions, and we can really cover some of the options topics more heavily, kind of based on the questions that you have and based on the market conditions. Now, if you want to join us in the options membership area, just go ahead and go to our website. You can go to tradersfly.com. And by the way, there we have a getting started page for options. You can also check out some of the freebies here, download a Greeks cheat sheet and much more. And go to the member section by clicking the membership area right there at the top. And that'll forward you to our website where you can see a couple of different memberships that we offer, like options, ideas, and strategies. And you can then click that button to learn more. And there's a video overview of what that membership's all about. Now, I hope you join us. That way you get some more insight, more in depth on your options trading. You can see some other strategies based on market conditions, gives you some ideas how you would manage things, maybe Q&As, and kind of like think of it like a discount Q&A session or a discount coaching session, because you could ask questions directly, and I'm more honed in and focused on you. Whereas maybe if we do live events on YouTube, sometimes comments and questions get buried in there, and then you don't really get a chance to a little bit of focus on you. So anyways, hope you join us. Thank you so much. Enjoy this quick little clip as we have in this video, and keep in mind that the members area gets the full version. So I really hope you join us by going to our website at tradersfly.com. The other approach you could do on some of these things that are beaten down is similar to that. Let's just again go further out duration. Simply like a butterfly, and butterflies are very cheap to do in these kinds of situations. So if I go kind of a 24 and maybe a 32, let's go a little more even here. We've got a balanced butterfly. So now, if it does continue to head lower, I'm risking $64 to put on that trade. And if it pops higher, and it continues to run, you're thinking, well, maybe it's not going to run all the way up to 30. So here's our UAL. Maybe it won't run all the way up to 30, but if it does, hey, you're okay. Even at 40, what you could do, even at 40, start making tweaks. Because remember, that's 10%. You're already looking at 10% to go up to 25. Could you break the wing a little bit? Yeah, I could break the wing just a little bit. Now you're risking about $90. And if it slowly starts heading higher, here's what I want you to pay attention to. Even though on the upside, you may think, hey, I might only make about $10 here. But what happens is over here, with time, you've got a huge bleed on these longer time durations. So you're risking, watch, I'm going to show you here as we get into June. Look at what's happening. Right here, even though it's staying still, I'm making money on the profit side. Now it's only $9, but look, I'm risking 90 to potentially make about 36. So you're making about 30%. So if you were to ramp this up, let's just call it about $1,000 on these contracts. So look, you could be up $109 if it stands still. If it pulls back down here, you're risking about $100 to $200, maybe $300, right? So a $1,000 trade, you might only risk about $150. So it pulls back another 10%. That gives you another 10% from where it is, right? So that's quite a bit. So you get this extra 10 to 15% range. But if it starts heading higher, you've got a lot of room. And if it does go up on your $1,000 investment, you might be making about $300 to $400, maybe more. Like, let's say if it goes here to July, well, on your $1,000 investment, you're looking at maybe, even if it goes past it, $500. That's 50%. So where else can you get that? And that's kind of the interesting part behind it, is to set something up like this for a directional, especially when the stock's really beaten up. It's kind of cheap to put these on. I wouldn't overdo it, just because then what's going to happen is if you overdo it, then you're putting too much cash and capital for a speculative play. And especially for something that's, you know, already beaten up, you don't know if it's going to keep being beaten up. It's just a tough game to play. Normally it's easier or smarter to do non-directional things, but you don't know. These things are too much in the news right now, and they're struggling. All right, so thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video, quick clip, and some insights on what we do kind of in the members section of the options segment. Keep in mind, if you're brand new to just getting started, go check out the options trading start here section on our website at tradersfly.com, or you could go to the freebie section where you could go ahead and download quite a lot of other cheat sheets, worksheets, mini video courses, and things that I'm working on for you guys. And if you want to join us in the members area, go to the membership section right up here on the navigation bar. You'll be then taken to our members website, and that's where you can see the options, ideas and strategies membership plan, and you can get a big overview of what it's really all about as well with a video there. So thanks again for joining me. Remember to hit subscribe if you're brand new to the YouTube channel, or of course go ahead and join the newsletter list by clicking the link right over here, and that way you get notified as we release other great videos, courses, products, books, and maybe even join us on our live video session from time to time. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.